Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove the user password in Windows 11 using several ways. Chapter 1. Remove Windows password from settings. To start, click on the Start menu, then go to Accounts. There click on Sign In options. In this section, click on Password, then click Change. Now, enter the current password of the user. After this, leave all the fields blank, click Next, and then Finish. Chapter 2. Remove Windows password from PowerShell. To get started, open the PowerShell console as an administrator. In the terminal, you will list the Windows 11 users with the net user command. Once you have the username, run the net user asterisk command. Hit the Enter key to leave all spaces blank. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. Remove Windows password from control panel. First of all, open the control panel, then click on User Accounts, then click again on User Accounts. There, click on Manage Another Account. Select the account to remove the password. After this, click on Change the password. If prompted, enter the current password. Then leave all the fields blank. Finally, click on Change Password. Chapter 4. Remove Windows password using Netplwiz. To start, from the Windows 11 search, enter the word Netplwiz. Click on the command. In the opened window, select the user. Click on Reset Password. Leave all the fields blank and apply the changes. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.